Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare Workers with KV storage, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Cloudflare Workers with KV storage, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. In the Cloudflare dashboard, locate the Workers tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Workers option to access the Workers interface. Next, click on the Create a Service button to start a new worker. You will be prompted to enter a name for your worker. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. After naming the worker, click the Create Service button. Once your worker is created, you'll be taken to the worker editor. In the editor, you'll see a default code template for your worker. To enable KV storage, navigate to the Settings tab within your worker. In the Settings section, look for the KV namespaces option. Click on Add KV namespace to create a new KV storage instance. You will need to give your KV namespace a name. Choose a name that is easy to remember and indicates its usage. After naming your KV namespace, click Save to create it. Now, go back to the Worker script editor. To access the KV storage in your worker, you will need to bind the KV namespace. In the script editor, find the section labeled Bindings. Under Bindings, click Add Binding next to KV namespace. In the prompt that appears, select the KV namespace you just created. Give it a variable name, such as my_KV. Once you've added the binding, your worker will have access to the KV storage. Now, you can start writing code to interact with your KV storage. Use the my_KV variable to store, retrieve, or delete data. To store a value, use the put method. For example, await my_KV.put key value will store the value. To retrieve a value, use the get method. For example, const value equals await my_KV.get key will fetch the value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.